It is legit 7 a.m. and I'm just going to sleep. My eyes are watering, and actually, actually achieved a bunch of stuff, so I'm not going to complain. And it's also my fault because I could have achieved it earlier if only I had just been like focused on things. But then I got like carried away, I guess. I don't know. I just let things pile up so much. And now it's exam week and I'm going to have to double down. I don't have that much to cover, funny enough. But then it's still a lot considering the fact that I pulled a crazy all nighter. My back hurts like crazy from sitting down for so long. But then I'm done ranting. I'll see you guys when I wake up in the afternoon. Hey guys, it's Wednesday and it's the day before my exams. And well, as usual, I spent most of the night yesterday reading, but then I woke up earlier today so I can fall into a type of routine that would set me up to not oversleep and miss my exam tomorrow. So that's what's going on that aspect. But then I'm just going to give you guys a quick rundown on how I do my crash studying when it's about exam time, because a lot of the times, sometimes I have these periods where I like procrastinate a lot, and then when it's exam time I find that I have some things that are kind of piled up for me to deal with. And so yeah, I'm going to show you guys or tell you guys how I deal with that in a second. Okay, so the first thing for me is that I love to take notes. So when it's like a week or before the exam, when I have things piled up, I do it in a way that I dedicate a specific day to a specific topic. So maybe on Monday I'm going to dedicate the whole of Monday to doing biochemistry related things or microbiology like I'm currently doing. So I dedicate that whole day to microbiology in case I have like maybe 3 slides to review. I will probably be able to review two or maybe 1.5, and then I know I have achieved the maximum I can. And then after doing that 1.5 or two, I will do quizzes based on them. So that's like the first and the second part of my studying in one. I write notes and then I do quizzes. When I write notes, I just write the important things that I feel like I can be asked about, not just random stuff. And then after writing the important things in quotes, I do a quiz. A lot of times I'll probably still fail the quiz, but then after doing the quizzes, I get understanding on how to apply the knowledge I think I've learned by writing. By the way, writing plays the same role as reading because you read and you write. So yeah, that's why I like to write the notes, and then I segment everything. So if I'm looking for something, if I'm trying to review, then I can very easily find it when I segment and put like headers with highlighting and bolding words, just so that it's something that I can very easily find. Yeah, so that's why I like to write notes and then do quizzes. And then the last thing is to review each quiz. I know it's kind of obvious, but then a lot of times you find that you just maybe do a quiz and then you just review the ones that you got wrong, or you just review the option that was right and then you don't review the wrong options and why they were wrong. So yes, you should review everything, including the right questions, the wrong questions, the right options and the wrong options, because you want to know why those options were wrong, and then you want to learn that so you can apply it later on. Because a lot of times you find that in medical school they give you options that are very similar, so you have to know exactly what differentiates them for you to actually know and be able to do well in the exams. So review everything, and then after writing all the notes and everything, I usually do that like a few days before the exam, when I am in a procrastination stage. So when I've gone through that procrastination stage and I find I have just like a few days to the exam, I do that like in the first half of my studying. And then the day before the exam, which is today, what I'm going to be doing is I go one pass through all the notes I've read. I review them once, and then I go through all the practice questions that I've done. Like, by all the practice questions, I mean the ones that the lecturer actually gave us. Those are the ones I go through this time. I go through those ones, the ones that we have done, like maybe practice quizzes on Canvas or practice questions in the slides. Those are the ones I go through. But then during my pre-review stage, I did not go through those ones. What I went through were questions from Amboss. So that way I've gone through like more questions from different angles, and now it's kind of covering me in a way, so I know all the different ways that the questions can come out. Yes, and then I try my best to sleep and eat. So yes, that's basically what I do pre-exam. And then I would also shoot a little montage of my exam day routine tomorrow. So for now, I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to continue studying because I have microbiology and pathology tomorrow. So I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, bye. It's Friday. Like, can we just take a moment to appreciate my bags? But I just finished my first exam. It was okay. And then I have a few hours until the next one. So I'm just going to do some reviewing and eat. Hey guys, it's Monday, and I know it's been a while since I came at you guys' faces, but then I actually enjoyed my weekend. I took like some time off to just enjoy myself. I hung out with friends, and then I like caught up with a lot of non-school related assignments that I have to do. And now I am back to classes, and I shall be editing this video soon. Hopefully it's not just a random collection of short clips and you guys actually find it enjoyable. If you do, then please subscribe and hit the notifications button so you know when I post new videos. And then yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.